Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class, and in this session we will try to solve the questions that is based on the topic collective noun from your chapter. And the first question of your concept sheet is fill in the blanks. Children, you can see the list of collective noun given in this box, and here you have to fill in the blanks with the suitable collective noun from the given box. And the first two letters are given as a clue. That is already done to you. Now cross out each word after you use it so that you don't get confused. Some words are given more than once and they are applicable to more blanks. You can use them if it is required more than one time. So let's do the first one. A dash, a team of player. So it's an example that is given to you that how you'll be doing this. First one is already done. Collective noun for player is team. In this way, you can write a dash of Indian ladies. So here, for your help, the two letters of the collective noun is already given. B, B-E is given. Now you have to select what will be the collective noun for ladies. B-E is given, so you have to find out collective noun for ladies. So here it can be bench. So a bench of ladies. In this way. Now here, next one, a dash of books. And two words are given, two letters are given for your help. L-I is given, and now with the help of L-I, you have to find the correct collective noun for books, and that is library. Here it is. So you will write L-I is given, B-R-A-R-Y, a library of books. In this way, you can see the another one also. Fourth one is a dash of bees. So SW is already given to you, and now you have to complete the rest letters that is missing here, and that is a swarm. S-W-A-R-M. Collective noun for bees is swarm of bees. So children, I hope understood. Okay, now in this way you will be completing all these collective nouns on your own. You have 50 sentences that has to be completed by you, and the words can be repeated, children. Now in your next exercise, see what you have to do. Complete the following sentence with suitable words to go with the collective noun. A gang of thieves. It is already done. You should know what is the gang of thieves called. Thieves. It is thieves. Collective noun for thief is gang of thieves. A flight of dash is always beautiful sight. A flight of, it can be birds. Then third, a band of dash was lined to perform the felicitation party. A band of musician. In this way, you will be completing rest of the fill in the blanks by choosing the correct collective nouns. You can take help from your textbook. I hope, children, you have understood how to complete this concept sheet. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.